Hi friends, 3 easy steps and we'll have your new camera set up and ready to go. But first, let's see what's in the box. Welcome card with a quick start guide and a user manual that no one ever reads. And of course, a camera, mounting strap, and 2 long-range antennas. To activate wireless service, you'll need to download our Command Center app or visit my.yellowstone.ai. Follow the prompts to create your account, then activate your camera's data plan. ICCID is the number on the sticker inside the camera. And here you can see your cameras, data plans, and monthly usage. From this page, you can also update camera settings and change data plans. After your first picture comes in, you'll also be able to see battery and signal levels. You can turn on app and email notifications so you get an alert each time the camera sends a picture. On the media page of your Command Center, you can view, share, filter, and delete your pictures and videos with ease. Back at the camera, we have our batteries installed and antennas mounted. The camera comes with a pre-installed SD card and a pre-installed SIM card. Don't remove this SIM card, your camera will only work with the pre-installed SIM card. Now we can slide the camera to setup mode. The screen will light up and the camera will begin searching for cell signal. After your camera finds cell signal, it will show sync server time followed by GPS searching. After GPS searching goes away, we can press the circular OK button to take and send a test picture. Your camera will display sending and then send succeed. Shortly thereafter, you'll receive your test picture on your phone. Now we're ready to mount our camera. We'll slide it to on mode. The screen will go dark. This is normal. This red light will blink for a few seconds, then turn off. And within a few minutes, the camera will be ready to begin looking for motion. And I'll leave you with a tip to save some money. If your camera is in a remotely sunny location, we strongly recommend adding a solar panel with a 12-volt output and a capacity of at least 20,000 milliamp hours for best performance. And as always, feel free to call, text, email for help anytime.